train.
You're gonna sway to your right, go behind, forward, sway to your left, coaster step with your left, shuffle upright, turn, left, right, left, hitch with your left foot, shuffle up with your left, turn, then right, left, stomp, kick, back, hitch with your left foot, then shuffle up left, do a half turn, and then a full turn. And then start over, right, under, over, left, coaster, shuffle up right, turn, left, right, left hitch,